Here we are for the lettering. You're showing some lowercase lettering for kerning, excite, descenders, ascender, height line, baseline, point, and leading. 6 elements of the lines for the basic strokes. Here's a basic beginning of all the letters in the alphabet. Here it is finished again, just showing you the layout to start with. And we'll just take a piece of notebook paper and just going to fold it. It already has the lines for the baseline and height line. We'll just do the capital letters. Find the crease on the margin and just put a couple marks just so you can find the center line and place it in there. We'll just start. Get yourself a sharp pencil and using the oblique left and right lines for the letter A, and then try to give yourself half the distance across. The kerning is the space between the letters. B is a vertical with 2 curves. C is the circular part going a little bit above the base and height line. And the D is just a vertical with a horizontal and a curve. And the leading is the space in between. E is a vertical, 3 horizontals. F, trying to make it nice and accurate for practice. Try to be consistent in copying the letters once you get yours drawn. H is just kind of a 2 verticals with half the distance across for the horizontal. I just practices the vertical. J gives you a down with a little curve to get it started. K right at the midpoint, trying to be symmetrical with the letters. L is vertical, horizontal across. And then 2 parallels for the M. Same with the N. Makes it much easier to place it. 2 circular parts for the O. And then horizontal with the P. Perfectly done there. Q just gives you a little more practice with the O. Again, it just goes above and below the height and baseline. So the OP and the QR are just a little bit similar there. S is just doing the middle with the end points. T horizontal for the midpoint vertical. Pencil just go right here. U curves a little bit when you start it. Again, a symmetrical letter V, trying to make it as accurate as you can. W you can start with 2 outside or just work directly midpoint. Trying to get symmetrical and accurate all the way through when you're doing this. Change it to red and 2 horizontals with a diagonal for the Z. So very simple, just get a little practice for introduction to typography. Remember the tracking and the leading, kerning and stuff. Very good.